Hi everybody, just an update on my birds. Got a canary there sitting 4, gold diamond if you can, and that's with a pure white canary cock. Got a frosty hen there, due to hatch today. There's 4 full uns in there. Over here we've got a satinette red eye. They hatch next Friday. She's got 5, they're all full. And another satinette red eye, a sister. She has got 4 out of the 5 full, due to hatch today. And then underneath, got a little Irish fancy yellow hen. I've got my siskin, one of my siskin yellow cocks with it. Been feeding her, so I don't think they'll belong. And just show you the young. Come on. There's 4 in there. All healthy. Crops are all full. Feeding well, parents are. I'll do another one when more hatch. Okay, bye.